Dark Saddle is a bold and opulent fragrance that opens with the rich spicy notes of saffron and nutmeg, creating an intriguing and warm introduction. The heart reveals a luxurious blend of leather, black rose and truffle combining to form a deep and sophisticated aroma with a touch of earthy elegance. The base settles into a warm sensual finish with amber, sandalwood and musk, offering a smooth, creamy and enduring scent that exudes sophistication and depth. The result is a fragrance that is both luxurious and intense, perfect for those who appreciate complex and powerful scents. Performance elements for Dark Saddle. Longevity. Dark Saddle offers impressive longevity, typically lasting 8 to 10 hours on clothing. Its rich base notes of amber, sandalwood and musk contribute to its enduring presence. Sillage. The fragrance has a strong sillage projecting well and leaving a noticeable trail. Its bold and opulent composition ensures that it makes a significant impact without being overwhelming. Projection. Dark Saddle projects well, especially in the initial hours when the spicy and leather notes are most prominent. The projection becomes more moderate as the fragrance develops, but it remains noticeable and commanding. Season. This fragrance is best suited for cooler seasons like autumn and winter due to its rich, warm and intense profile. The deep and sensual base notes are perfect for colder weather when the fragrance can fully reveal its complexity. Occasion. Dark Saddle is ideal for formal events, evening outings, and special occasion. Its luxurious and powerful scent makes it a great choice for making a statement in sophisticated settings. Style. The fragrance is characterized by its luxurious and intense style, blending rich, exotic, and sophisticated notes. It suits those who prefer bold and distinctive scents with a touch of elegance. Mood. Dark Saddle conveys confidence, sophistication, and allure. Its deep, warm, and complex profile evokes a sense of power and refinement, making it perfect for those who want to exude an air of luxury and distinction. Al Wahid brand offers a quality roll-on attar at a very affordable price, providing a pleasant and soothing fragrance suitable for regular or party use, and is a great product to awaken positive vibes and enhance your mood. You can use it as a pocket roll-on attar. Apply 0.5 ml per use for best results. Do not apply on the body, for apparel use only. And do not consume odoriferous substances. All ingredients listed are synthetic aroma chemicals used to create the fragrance notes. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information useful. Please share your valuable feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content.